Hey guys, what's up? It's Shanice. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have another hair tutorial for you guys. I decided to do my hair in these Kinky passion twists. They kind of remind me of Marley twists. They're a little more like flowy, I guess you would say. Yeah, they flow a little better than Marley twists. I feel like Marley twists are really stiff. These aren't stiff at all. Yeah, so if you guys want to see how I achieve these twists, then keep on watching. So I've had my hair in for about a month now, and before I decided to take these out, I wanted to come on here and show you guys how I achieved this style. I use two different types of hair. I use Marley hair and passion twist hair. Not passion twist hair, I use water wave. So this is the brand of water wave that I use, and I'll have a picture of the Marley hair right here. So for this style, I did not use any rubber bands. I did not braid it at the root. Just for one, because my hair does not do well with rubber bands, and I don't really like how it looks when you braid it at the root and then twist it. So I twisted it all the way from the root down. And so I'm not gonna do too much explaining on how to do this style. Hopefully you guys can just watch and follow along. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down for me below in the comment section. If you do decide to try this hairstyle, make sure to tag me on a pic on Instagram. I have my Instagram right here as well. So make sure you guys follow me on there. So if you do try to do this hairstyle, you guys can tag me.
Feel my body aching, I feel like I'm breaking, and I know it all too well. Got another new day, still I'm feeling misplaced. I keep going down, down, down. Too many years going by, caught in an action I can't rewind on. And in my head I'm screaming, but out of my mind I'm still too young to feel this way. Still too young to be running out of energy. Oh, we say we're growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us, we're still so young. We say we're growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us, we're still so young. I'm still so young. Young, 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 young. I'm young. I'm still so young. Young, 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 young. I'm still so young. Think we know everything, we don't know anything. But time doesn't move slow. Feel the pressure on me, I think I might go crazy. Oh, one too many years going by, I'm caught in an action I can't rewind on. And in my head I'm screaming, but out of my mind I'm still too young to feel this way. Still too young to be running out of energy. Oh, we say we're growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us, we're still so young. We say we're growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us, we're still so young. I'm still so young. Young, 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 young. I'm young. I'm still so young. Young, 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 young. I'm still so young. I feel like I'm breaking, and I know it all too well. Got another new day, still I'm feeling misplaced. I keep going down, down, down. Too many years going by, caught in an action I can't rewind on. And in my head I'm screaming, but out of my mind I'm still too young to feel this way. Still too young to be running out of energy. Oh, we say we're growing older, got weights upon our shoulders. I know this can't be it for us, we're still so young. We say we're growing older.